Square makes it easy on you to pay for items and services with ACH bank transfers. You'll receive an invoice that shows how much is due. Click Make Payment and you'll see your option to pay by bank transfer, ACH. Select ACH bank transfer. Find your bank and log in on a secure payment platform. Then select the appropriate account. And if this is a recurring invoice, you may save your bank account on file to use in the future. Confirm the account and the payment amount. And that's it. The money will be withdrawn in 1 to 4 business days. If you'd like to remove the account on file or change to a new account, just press Update Payment Method when you get your next bill on a recurring invoice. You'll see what account is scheduled to submit the next payment, and you may either remove the account on file or update to another bank account. Then you can use a different account and save that one on file if you want. To learn more, go to square.com/help and search keyword ACH.